If you're tired of spending half your day manually chopping long videos into snackable social clips, then you absolutely need to listen to what I'm about to share. Text-based editing and powerful AI automation are fundamentally changing how creators transform hours of footage into platform-ready content. Honestly, once you experience this new workflow, you will never want to go back to manually scrubbing through raw timelines again. I'm going to walk you through exactly how this entire system functions and show you the incredible output creators are achieving. We'll look at how people are cranking out hundreds of shorts in mere hours instead of wasting entire days on the task. And crucially, I'll explain why this specific tool is the one I personally rely on for fast, consistent, and truly viral short videos. So to start at the very beginning, what exactly is text-based editing at its core? It's a surprisingly simple concept. You upload your long video file to the system. The platform then instantly transcribes every single word spoken, complete with accurate timestamps for the entire recording. The magic happens next. You edit the video footage simply by editing the text transcript. If you highlight a sentence and delete it from the transcript, that entire segment vanishes from the video instantly. You can easily keep only specific lines or drop in entirely new segments just by manipulating the text. Every single change you make is automatically mapped back to the precise timecode within the original footage. This method feels infinitely faster and much more intuitive than constantly scrolling the timeline to hunt for one sentence. Tools like Vizard and even Descript helped popularize this innovative text-first editing idea years ago. Those are fantastic tools, particularly for straightforward interviews or simple podcast episode cleanups. But if your real challenge is turning a 2-hour live stream into dozens of platform-optimized clips that people actually stop to watch, you need more power. This is where the AI-powered platforms, like the one I prefer, truly step up their game and separate themselves from the pack. Here is how the typical automated workflow usually begins with that long video you upload. The platform processes the file and spits out that complete, time-coded transcript ready for your review. You can easily follow along as the video plays, letting you jump to any specific sentence instantaneously. However, the system doesn't just wait for you to manually highlight what you think is good content. Its integrated AI actually analyzes the substance to pinpoint high engagement moments deep within the audio. It automatically suggests specific, pre-trimmed clips that are already formatted perfectly for the target social platform. This means instead of desperately searching for the single viral moment, the tool surfaces those golden moments directly to you. You then have the power to accept, quickly tweak, or reject these AI suggestions within just a few seconds each. One of the most significant benefits of this cloud-based workflow is how much it saves your local hardware and mental energy. Because your raw footage and all of your edits live securely in the cloud, you forget about huge project files clogging up your local drive. You can preview all of those generated clips right there in the editor for quick review. Just remember that the preview is usually lower resolution for instant loading, but the final exports will always be full quality. You can make those small text-based adjustments, apply custom captions, or even swap out the thumbnail image easily. Then, instead of manually handling the export process, you can simply tell the platform to schedule it for you automatically. That automated scheduling feature is genuinely a complete game changer for consistent output across all your accounts. You set your desired posting frequency, and the machine handles the distribution queue across all platforms. It queues up content for Reels, TikTok, Shorts, and X based on your cadence, so the machine does the heavy distribution work. With auto-edit, auto-schedule, and an integrated content calendar, you can treat creation like a true production line. This eliminates that constant feeling of crisis every single time you need to get a new piece of content live. Now, let me quickly break down the 3 core features that make this tool shine for serious content scalers. First is the auto-editing of viral clips, where the AI actively scans your long video for peak performance potential. It identifies strong hooks, memorable quotable lines, and genuine emotional peaks automatically for you. The result is ready-to-post clips already cropped precisely to the correct aspect ratio and length for different channels. You aren't just guessing what to clip. The AI provides you with a powerful starting package of suggestions to review first. Second is the auto-schedule feature, which requires you to simply choose your desired posting frequency once. Let the platform handle the tedious task of queuing content across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts automatically. This completely eliminates manual uploads and ensures you never miss out on prime posting windows due to manual delays. The third key element is the centralized content calendar, which keeps every piece of content organized in one visible location. You can view everything that's scheduled, drag and drop posts to rearrange the timeline, and edit captions without leaving the main dashboard. For teams or solo creators juggling multiple shows, this single source of truth saves dozens of operational hours every single month. Now let's jump into some practical, demo-style tips to help you get even more out of these powerful features right away. When the AI presents suggested clips, always scan the transcript for places where you might have stumbled or used filler words. Because the system has smart silence and filler detection, you can clean up those long pauses or annoying verbal tics in bulk. Here's a pro tip for when you flub a sentence during recording. Don't just surgically try to delete the very last word. Instead, go back to the beginning of that entire sentence and cut a clean chunk from there to maintain a natural sound. This simple technique prevents those jarring, weird audio jumps that break the viewer's immersion immediately. If you realize mid-review that you forgot to mention something vital, don't let panic set in immediately. Some advanced platforms offer AI voice cloning to type out and insert the missing line directly into the transcript. While this specific tool focuses on clip discovery, you can also import a short pre-recorded line and splice it in via the transcript editor. Here is another quick hack. If you only want one highlight from a massive episode, just find that section in the text. Right-click, select Keep Only This Clip, and the system instantly deletes everything else, creating a standalone short. Captions are another massive time saver where these text-based workflows truly demonstrate their value. Since the transcript already exists, the tool can auto-generate perfect captions for every single clip immediately. You can style these captions to perfectly match your brand aesthetic. Font, color, position, everything. If the initial transcription misheard a word, which does happen, you just edit the text, and the captions update everywhere instantly. This is an enormous advantage over manually crafting SRT files or trying to caption outside of your primary editor. Let's briefly discuss other popular tools you will see popping up in comparisons and searches online. Vizard is incredible for high-quality remote recording, and their editor is solid for cleaning up one interview at a time. Descript offers truly brilliant transcription-first editing and some fantastic features like overdubbing. But both of those tools are primarily centered on the recording and the individual editing workflow, not mass distribution. Furthermore, when you start scaling storage or adding team seats, those costs can begin to add up surprisingly fast. The main issue is that some tools are fantastic at one specific thing, but completely stop contributing after that first step. The true competitive edge here is that this preferred platform was engineered from the ground up for one thing: creating social clips at scale. Sure, you could stitch together Vizard for recording, Descript for editing, and a third-party app for scheduling. But that means more steps, more exports to manage, and significantly more monthly subscription costs overall. With this unified system, you get an end-to-end flow: discovery, quick edits, auto captions, scheduling, and a complete calendar. For any creator aiming for consistent, multi-channel publishing, this single approach saves time and keeps the whole content machine humming. A common worry is that automation means your final content will look generic and low effort, which simply isn't the case. That's only true if you use the suggestions as the final product, ignoring the need for that crucial, tiny, human touch. I always recommend reviewing the AI clips. Swap the thumbnail, tighten that first-second hook if needed, or add a trending hashtag. You end up getting the incredible speed of full automation mixed with the essential nuance of your unique voice and style. Here are a couple of final practical recommendations for maximizing your weekly output potential with this system. Try batch producing all your long videos for the entire week in one focused recording session. Upload them all, let the AI generate the clips overnight while you sleep, and then dedicate just one focused hour tomorrow morning to scheduling. Use the content calendar religiously to avoid clip repetition and ensure content from different episodes hits the right audience at the right time. Experiment with A/B testing different hooks by duplicating a clip, changing the first 2 seconds, and sending them out separately. To wrap this up, if you are currently editing solo on your laptop and you want to scale output without hitting a wall, this is your fastest path forward. Text-based editing introduced the concept, but this AI-driven clip discovery is what truly unlocks consistent publishing across all your channels. It is not some magic shortcut to instant success. You still need good content and a solid strategy. That part is on you. However, this process completely eliminates the time-consuming, repetitive grunt work that slows most creators down every single week. To try this approach, simply upload one long video, let the system analyze it, and review the suggested clips that come back. You will likely be surprised how many usable, high-potential moments you generate in under an hour of initial setup time. If you found this walkthrough valuable for optimizing your content workflow, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Comment below telling me what kind of long-form content you are currently working on, and I can give you some specific clip ideas. Definitely try out this automation to handle the heavy lifting, and then come back and tell me which single clip ended up performing the absolute best. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the very next video for more efficiency hacks.